Welcome. We are visiting Vedic mathematics teachers' book values, and in this process, we are face to face with the Ganita Sutras and organization of the text of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Ganita Sutras are 16 in number, while text of text of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is of 18 chapters range. Let us arrange the Ganita Sutras as 1 to 16 and Gita chapters as 1 to 18. See the expression tabulation on the computer screen. The upper row is the serial numbers of Ganita Sutras 1 to 16, and the lower row is of parallel relevant chapters numbers of the text of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Ganita Sutras 1, 2, 3 and chapters 1 to 3 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita in this coordination run parallel to each other. Sutras 4, 5 and 6 run parallel to chapters 14, 15 and 16. Sutras 7, 8 and 9 take us to chapters 8, 17 and 18. Sutras 10, 11 and 12 go parallel to chapters 10, 11 and 12. Sutra 13 takes us to chapter 9 of the text of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Sutras 14, 15 and 16 go parallel with chapters 4, 5 and 6 of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Now let us have a visit to double-digit numbers. 0, 1 leads to 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 0, 2 leads us to 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 0, 3 leads us to 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Responding to it, number 10 takes us to 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 11 takes us to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 12 takes us to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. This will help us appreciate as to the coordination of Sutras 1, 2 and 3 with chapters 1, 2 and 3 and Sutras 10, 11, 12 with chapters 10, 11 and 12 of Bhagavad Gita. Now let us proceed ahead. 0, 4 leads us to 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. 0, 5 leads us to 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 0, 6 leads us to 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. Now let us visit 14, 15 and 16. 14 leads us to value 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 15 leads us to 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 16 leads us to 1 plus 6 is equal to 1. Let us have a pause. As is tabulated on the right side of the above expression sheet on your computer screen, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are having factors 1, 2, 3, 2 plus 2. This means 1 has only one factor, 2 has a one factor, 3 has a one factor, but 4 has two factors. Therefore, the total factors for 1, 2, 3, 4 come to be 5. This will help us appreciate the double digit 0, 4 taking to value 4 and double digit 14 leading to value 5. This will further help us appreciate coordination, the structural key of Ganita Sutra 4, leading us to the organization features, chapter 14 of the text of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Likewise, 05, fifth sutra, with its structural key, will lead us to the organization format features, chapter 15 of the text of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Here, if we visit the values range 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and simultaneously a visit to the factors, this range of numbers, you'll see the number of factors come to be 6. So 05 as 0 plus 5 is equal to 5, and 15 as 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 on one hand, and the factors of range 1 to 5 as 6 will help us appreciate the coordination of the structural keys of Sutra 5 with the organization format features of the text of chapter 15. A step ahead, 06 leads us to value 0 plus 6 is equal to 6, while 16 takes us to 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. The factors of range 1 to 6 is 8. Here, where we will have an appreciation as to how 8 points range is having 7 gaps. It is this feature which deserves to be imbibed with a double focused attention, as we will be seeing that chapter 7 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita as such is not having straightaway relationship with the structural keys arrangement. We will be coming to this aspect subsequently. And then also we know that the 7 Chand, Gayatri to Jagati, or accepting values range 1 to 7, and then in the reverse orientation from 15 to 9, there is a jump over 8. This jump over 8, which has a relevance, which will help us appreciate this organization as that G817 hypercube 8 is having 17 versions, while boundary of hypercube 9 takes us to 18 factors. So this coordination, coming to it, while we'll be working out in details these structural keys parallel with the organization format with Bhagavad Gita in this subsequent sessions. However, for the present, let us reach at values as points 1 to 18. It has 17 gaps. Now, let us see the formulations. For value 1 is ek, value 2 is dve, then tre, chatur, panch, shat, shapt, asht, nav, das, ekadas, dwadas, triodas, chaturdash, panchadash, shodash, and saptadash. Now let us compute the transcendental code values, Divyank Vivasta of these formulations. Formulation A leads to value 8, Dvay 16, Tre 8, Chatur 12, Panch 15, Chat 10, Sapt 12, 14, Asht 11, Nav 17, Das Ekadas 19, Dwadas 25, Triodas 24, Chaturdas 22, Panchadas 25, Shodas 22, Sabdas 24. Let us reach at the summation value. See, it will take us 8, then 8 plus 16, 24, 24 plus 32, 2 plus 14, 44. At the end, we will reach at 282. See, 1 more than it is 283, precisely equal to the total letters of the text of 16 Ganita Sutras. Now, let us go a step ahead. Let us arrange structural keys, means the letters of the text of Ganita Sutra 1 in the sequence and order in which these are making computation of Ganita Sutra 1. Then reach at the TC values and see the arrangement and see how this is organized, how it leads us to. It is here where we will have the glimpse and insight as to how five space as origin of creator space, four space makes a transcendental cavity at the origin seat, and this cavity which has a origin seal of self-referral domain, six space, and then if we have comparison for values 4, 5, and 6, and 14, 15, 16 on one hand, 10, 11, 12, and 1, 2, 3 on the other hand, this organization is precisely the organization at the transcendental cavity of the creators of space. Let us sit comfortably, revisit the structural keys, the sutras 1 to 16, and the organization format of the text of Ganita's text of Srimad Bhagavad Gita 1 to 18, of which chapter 7 and chapter 18 make the real reach attainment of these Vedic systems. We will be taking up detailed features in the. Thank you very much.